Being a chef is more than just being a cook. For a chef, cooking is a second nature. Passion comes first. An outstanding chef of her batch, Chef Grace will tell us her story. I'm Philip, and this is Daily Chef.
A chef for me is not just someone who knows how to cook. I think, personally, a chef is someone who creates, who innovate in a way that you can't even imagine through cooking. And I think it's someone who never ceases to learn something new and to create an incredible dish that when you see that certain food, you'll want to eat it even when you're not even in the mood. My interest started when I was just a kid. When I learned how to make a pizza, I was like, wow, this is how you make a pizza? I mean, you can make a lot of things from here. You can put a lot of toppings, or you can put any toppings you want. You can choose your choice. I won't stop you. Your friends might stop you from putting pineapples on that pizza, but I won't. I love pineapples on pizza. It balances everything, the saltiness and all. And yeah, so when I first served my pizza, I was really happy. I felt really fulfilled and satisfied. I was like, I wanted to do this for the rest of my life. I want to serve people and I want to be part of their happiness.
Chef Grace was on the top of her game, yet challenges can't be ignored.
Those who belittle our course and also high expectations because they say that it is just cooking, so I better be good at it. But what they don't know is that culinary is not just about cooking. It is also a mixture of science and art. You have to be good in plating so that your dish will be presentable, and also science. You have to know the techniques to make that dish.
Overcoming these challenges takes time and discipline. What will the chef do to cope with her own problems?
I'll kill you. Don't mess with me. I'll kill you. Don't mess with me.
I didn't let their hateful comments and opinions affect me and discourage me, because I also believe that there are people who believe in me. So yeah, I continue to work on myself, strive more, learn more, so that I'll be able to show them that someday I'll be successful. Becoming a chef is a continuous journey, so I'll probably be inventing something new and inventing a new dish. So I'll probably write about it to publish a book and inspire other people. I'll never stop.